Aussie Boutique Melbourne is being promoted as a stylish Australian fashion store with trendy pieces and major discounts. But the real question is whether it's actually a trustworthy brand or just another online boutique with red flags. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. There are many legitimate Australian online boutiques that sell real clothing without physical stores. However, here's the key point. Aussie Boutique Melbourne shows several warning signs commonly linked to low-trust or dropshipping style fashion sites. There are some surface positives. The site typically features clean, modern design, trendy, Instagram-style clothing, lounge discounts and limited-time sales, a lifestyle-focused brand image. But these elements are often used to build quick trust. There are some notable concerns. First, heavy and constant discounts. The store often advertises 50% to 80% off, which is a common urgency tactic rather than genuine pricing. Second, weak brand verification. There is little independent information, reviews, or company history, which is unusual for a real boutique. Third, product sourcing patterns. Many listings look similar to mass-produced items found on wholesale platforms, suggesting possible dropshipping. Fourth, typical customer risks. With similar stores, buyers often report items not matching product photos, lower quality materials than expected, complicated or expensive return processes. So, can you trust Aussie Boutique Melbourne? Proceed with caution. The bottom line is this. Aussie Boutique Melbourne is likely a real store that delivers products, but it doesn't appear to be a well-established or reliable fashion brand. If you're expecting high-quality boutique clothing, there's a real risk of disappointment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.